All right, guys, so check this out. We're doing an install on a 1994 Chevy Corvette. Battery's right here. Looks like this battery is almost 9 years old.
Yes.
From 2015. So it served its purpose for a very long time. And super simple to do this install. You just take these bolts out, this one out, and there's another one down there that you bolt off. And then this panel comes off. And then you take negative and positive off the battery, take the bracket off, comes right out.
Digger Phelps took the job and says, son, I'll honor your scholarship, but you will never pay for me. So what did he do? He goes to UCLA and wins 3 national championships.
Oh, next time they'll be nicer to him.
Oh, well, what was funny was, we were in Louisville.
Barely even fibs.
We're watching Jeopardy.
Yep.
We're rooming together because our sons are playing in Louisville and with George and I forget that guy's name that was the leading scorer in Indiana. But we're sitting there and the final Jeopardy answer was, who missed the last shot to end UCLA's 88-game winning streak?
Oh, no.
And Pete jumped up and said, it was me! It was me!
Oh, no.
And we're sitting there, and I swear, we laughed so hard. It was me!
He was notoriously known.
He missed, and it was a wide open tip in. All he had to do was tip it in, and they would have, and they won 20-some games. My son
All right, guys, so
is gonna be so happy.
Battery's already out of there.
He's gonna come and get it.
Brackets
Monday,
there.
He's gonna move it into my ex.
All we're gonna do is put the battery in, bolt everything up, put that cover back on. All right, so battery's back in, bolts bolted down. Now we put the cover back on, get all the brackets, and we're done.
Okay, I'm trying.
You're okay, take your time.
Where is it?
Right there, boss.
There
You see it?
Yeah, I see it now.
Okay. Just missed it. If you push the key just a little bit to the front, she'll come in.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go. Uh-oh. Nothing.
Give it a little bit of time. There you go.
All right.
She's good. She sounds great.
Wow.
Look at this machine.
I'm back.
You're back.
My son's gonna be a very happy boy.
That's right. All right, guys, so that was it. Battery install, 1994 Chevy Corvette. If you're ever wondering how to do it, that's how you do it. Nothing to it.
It's beautiful.
1, 2, 3 bolts, 4 bolts at the bottom. This one comes off, bracket bolt, and then you positive and negative. And that's all you got.